Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is May 21st, 2019. Your source of news before any trade decision. We're going to give you all an update on XRP paired against the USD. Before I get started, I always want to remind you, if you guys want to make sure you stay updated on the cryptocurrency market predictions and movement that we have forecast to go on, make sure you check us out at our website, HueFinancial.com. You will not be able to get this easy information anywhere else before the market actually moves. So make sure you go ahead and click on that link before you go. So now, the last time we did our video for XRP was on May 17th, 2019. And you can look right here at my price chart. You can tell I didn't change anything from when we created that video. And this was our expectation of what we expected XRP to do from the 17th. So let me zoom in a little bit closer. And as you can tell, the market has not traded the way that we expected it to do. It continues to show you indication that the market wants to move to the upside, or at best consolidate. Okay, now our price objective, our price target was down here around 35 cents for XRP to hold support. Instead, it found support right there around 37.5 cents, 38 cents. And it continues to show you its eagerness to continue to move higher to the upside. That's very good to see that in the market for XRP. When I look at it on the weekly time frame, here we are just starting out the week. And you can see how the market is still trading around this major resistance area on the weekly time frame. Market may try to hit that 45-cent price again. Ultimately 50 cents later on down the road in 2019. What we are enduring right now is stockpile entering the market. That's why we're moving lower on this weekly price chart. Back at it at the daily time frame, again, we're just really getting consolidational trading. We may be off right now in our price prediction, but again, when I move it to a small time frame, you can still see how the market in XRP is finding resistance at 41 cents. Maybe even 42 cents. Okay, we are seeing the market in XRP making higher lows in this space, which is continuing to show you that this coin is going to continue to move to the upside until we see a break below this essential line that is just drawn on my chart. Okay, so the market is still expected to try to make a slight movement to the upside, but I'm not confident that it's going to really move substantially higher than that. Okay, the volume is not appearing on this price chart to insinuate that XRP is going to make a substantial movement higher in price. So I'm going to keep my profit table here, and I'm still expecting XRP at best to hold consolidational trading. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to readjust this profit table. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you the resistance area rather than 40 cents being resistance. I'm going to move it all the way up here towards this 42 cents. Okay, so that is where we're expecting the market in XRP ultimately to consolidate right here between 42 cents for resistance, still 35 cents for support. Okay, keep your eyes open on this ascension line that I have just drawn on our chart, because this is telling you the direction of movement in the market in XRP on the 1 hour price chart, as well as on the 3 hour time frame. You're still getting the market in XRP trying to maintain that strength, but I'm still expecting this coin to continue to move to the downside. Okay, so that is going to be our analysis. I'm going to keep my profit table here. I'm still expecting this coin to continue to move to the downside from the 17th all the way until today's date. The market in XRP really has done nothing but consolidate. Now, on the smaller time frame, the 1 hour time frame, 30-minute bars, 15-minute bars, it has been making progressive movement higher, but it's been very slow and methodical, which gives you a sense of, are the market participants really trying to push this particular currency pair higher? Okay, so as of right now, the analysis is for XRP to continue to really consolidate, but I'm still expecting us to make another movement to the downside, albeit not a severe one. Okay, so I definitely want to preface that going on into the market. So what I'm going to move up the market in XRP from hitting that 35-cent price, I'm going to move that price target up. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. And we're going to create another short position of us expecting the market in XRP to move to the downside. Okay. So the market currently is trading around here. And let's move it to a 3-hour time frame before we go. And so now I'm going to expect the market in XRP can hold 38 cents as support once it sees this progressional movement lower. And we said that 42 cents was resistance in the market, maybe a little higher. So this is what I'm expecting the market in XRP to trade. Okay, we reallocated what we expect the market to do in XRP, still expecting it to give us some downside movement to the downside, but all in all, the market is just holding consolidation or trading right here at this major 40-cent support / resistance price. Okay, it's going to require a whole lot of volume in the market for XRP to really break away from that 40-cent price. Until that time, the market in XRP is going to hover around that 40-cent price and consolidate until we see the maintenance of that strength continue to come in. Then you'll know of a surety that the market in XRP is going to continue to move higher. Okay, so right now, this is what our expectation in the market for XRP is going to be. Movement to the downside. It's going to be about 4.88% profit if the market in XRP comes and find rest at 38 cents. And then ultimately, we're still seeing some indications of resistance around 42 cents. So currently, the market is still maintaining its strength because it is trading above our ascension line. But as we trade throughout the rest of this week and you see this market in XRP break through it, whether it's laterally or even to the downside, it tells you the overall momentum of the market. All right. So that's our analysis for today. XRP paired against USD. Give us your thoughts. Give us your comment as to whether or not you expect XRP to make a movement to the downside in the near term only, or do you expect it to move higher in price in the near term? Because as I stated, the weekly time frame, we're still expecting some continuation of moving higher, preferably around that 50-cent price sometime throughout 2019. Okay, but this is just a very short term objective of what we're expecting to see in the market. Give us your thoughts, give us your opinion. We always like to hear or read what you guys have to say about XRP and paired against USD. And don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure to go ahead and like and share these videos, because this is relatively easy to predict what you want or what you see the price chart telling you that it's going to do. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all later.